SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. No wiring, wireless app or timer control. Add SwitchBot Hub compatible with Alexa, Google Home, HomePod, IFTTT. Universal works well with just about any rocker switch and button of any appliance, except touchscreen switch. Smart Button Pusher for your smart home. Supports press mode/switch mode. With the included add-on sticker, OneBot helps to turn your light both on and off. Easy to install and set up. Tape it right next to a rocker switch or button with a 3M sticker in 5 seconds. Ninamar Mud Scrubber Rubber Brush Mat Scrub and Scrape Muddy Shoe. Head jobSite Boot Scrubber Flat Mat Scraper Brush as seen on TV. Made in the USA or imported. Best boot cleaner, as seen on TV. Perfect cleaning tool to have by every door. Freestanding and portable, practical and easy to use. Leave the dirt outside. The built-in sole and edge brush cleans caked on snow, ice, mud, dirt and manure better than any other mats. All debris falls between roller bristles for easy cleaning. Sturdy construction, constructed with high-density plastic, withstands weight up. jobSite the original boot scrubber all-weather industrial shoe cleaner and scraper brush. Built to last. Heavy-duty high-density composite formed plastic sides and welded metal frame make this scraper able to withstand all weather elements without rotting or cracking. All-in-one cleaner, super coarse brush scrapes away mud, grass, sawdust, snow and other hard stuck-on debris from the soles. Cordless electric scrubber, power spin scrubber, handheld power scrubber with 4 spin scrubber brushes. Heads for tiles, showers, bathroom, windows, kitchen. Cordless electric scrubber is lightweight and heavy-duty, with IPX7 waterproof function. The waterproof seal design makes power spin scrubber safe to operate under wet conditions such as showers, tiles, tubs, sinks, and bathtub and so on. Reach's electric spin scrubber cordless with 3.6V NIMH 2100 mAh rechargeable battery which can work for up to 2 hours per charge.